Okay, so here's a room tour of Residence du Parc, which is quite close to Disneyland Paris. So we'll start from in the bathroom. Really good shower. Always seem to get a decent shower around here. Nice bathroom. This is a family room that sleeps 4. Toilet, basin, and place for your things there. So there's the front door, as you've just seen, into a little hallway and kitchen area. Quite a basic kitchen. You've got your fridge. I don't think there's a cutlery under there. A pan, only a hob, no oven. Microwave, some more storage, some bits and pieces. Didn't have a chopping board though. Very basic cutlery in there. Into the main living room, so you got the sofa bed right there and the main bed with some storage, extra blankets. Probably only 4 pillows though, so not loads of pillows. TV over there, which we didn't use. Little desk, table with your 4 chairs, so you can have a meal there. The heating, there are these little heaters. There's 2 of these in the room. We didn't need to use them, even though it's February 2019. It has been quite mild. Although there is an aircon unit up there, and we did use the aircon because it was quite warm in the room. You can get heat from that as well. And if you go over here, we had our balcony. Now, technically, we had a pool view, even though, again, the pool is off because it is February. And we had the construction as well. Now, we didn't get woken up by it. I think they start about 8:30, which is totally fine. So, yeah, it's not the best view, but it didn't really affect us because we were straight out to Disney in the morning. All in all, we paid £150 or £149 for this room. We did get a free night because we collect the hotels.com. Collected so many nights, so we got a free night. So technically it cost us £100, but £149 really for 3 nights. Beds were reasonably comfy, not too bad. So yeah, value for money, very good. So thanks for watching.